Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss some more problems relating to Spearman's rank correlation in case of repeated ranks. Now, problem number 5. Calculate Spearman's rank correlation. Data is like this: marks in painting and marks in drawing. Marks in painting 22, 12, 16, 12, 15, 20, 16, 18, 23, 17. Marks in drawing 20, 14, 16, 15, 18, 19, 12, 15, 18 and 16. Now you can see here the values are repeating in both set of values or variables. So you have to solve this using Spearman's rank correlation in case of repeated ranks. Now first of all you have to define, let marks in painting be x and marks in drawing be y. Then you have to note down the variable x and y. After that you have to highlight the value which is repeated. You can see here in colors, in different colors. In first set of value 12 is repeating twice and value 16 is repeating twice. In variable y, value 16 is repeated twice, 15 is repeated twice and 18 is repeated twice. After highlighting the repeated value, you have to assign ranks. On first rank, the highest value is 23, so you assign first rank. Next highest is 22, assign second rank. Next highest is 20, assign third rank. Next highest is 18, you assign fourth rank. Next highest is 17, fifth rank. Next highest is 16, but that value repeated twice, so average of rank is 0.5. You have to raise 1.53 and post assignment of rank. Now you have to raise 1.5, so 5 plus 1.5 is 6.5. Next highest is 15, the rank is 8th rank. Next highest is 12, that value repeated twice, so average of rank is 1.5. So then that becomes 9.5. That's all. Now in second, you assign ranks to second set of values. Highest value is 20 as in first rank. Next highest is 19 as in second rank. Next highest is 18, that repeated twice, so it becomes 3.5. Next highest is 16, that also repeated, so it becomes 5.5. Next highest is 15, that also repeated, so that becomes 7.5. Next highest is 14, was in 9th rank. Next highest is 12, 10th rank. After this, you note down rank of first set and rank of second set, that is R1 and R2. Then you find out difference between R1 and R2, that is nothing but D. 1.5, 1, 2, 4.5, 1, minus 3.5, minus 3.5, minus 2.5, minus 0.5. If you find out square of the square of value D, and that becomes D square. So D square is 1.25, 1, 4, 20.25, 1, 12.25, 12.25, 6.25 and 0.25. To add up these D square values, then it becomes 58.5. Now, next problem, problem number 6. Calculate Spearman's rank correlation. Variable x and y is given. Now values are repeating. The solution, you note down x and y values. Then you highlight the value which is repeated. You can see here in first set of value 35 is repeating twice. Then in y values, y variable value 34 repeating twice. After highlighting repeated ranks, you assign ranks in first set of values. So highest is 48 as in first rank. Next highest is 44 second rank. Next highest is 37 third rank. Next highest is 35, which is repeated. So you have to raise 1.5, becomes 4.5. Next highest is 26. 28. So 6th rank. Next highest is 26, 7th rank. Next highest is 18, 8th rank. Now you assign ranks to second set of values. Now highest is 83, present first rank. Next highest is 51, second rank. Next highest is 47, third rank. Next highest is 46, fourth rank. Next highest is 34, but that is repeated thrice. If you substitute in m into m square minus 1 divided by 12 formula, the average of rank you will get is 2. So you raise 2, so then that becomes 6. Next highest is 28, you raise again 2 ranks, average of rank, then that becomes 8. Next that's all. Now you note down R1 and R2, rank of first set and rank of second set. Then you find out difference between R1 and R2 is 7, 4, minus 1.5, minus 4, minus 1.5, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 2. You find out b square equal to 7 square 49, 4 square 16, minus 1.5 square 2.25, minus 4 square 16, minus 1.5 square 2.25, minus 1 square 1, minus 1 square 1, minus 2 square 4. If you add up these d square values, then that becomes 91.5 sigma d square. Now to calculate the total of correction factors, repeated ranks, number of time rank repeated, CF. Now in first set, rank 4.5 repeated twice, average of rank is 0.5. In second set, 6, repeated rank is 6, number of time repeated 3 times, so average of rank is 2, total of correction factor is 2.5. So formula is S equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square plus total of correction factor divided by n into n square minus 1. S equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is 91.5 plus 2.5 divided by 8 into x square minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 6 into 94 divided by 8 into 64 minus 1 equal to 1 minus 564 divided by 8 into 63 equal to 1 minus 564 divided by 504, that is equal to 1 minus 1.19. That is equal to minus 0.19. Therefore, low degree negative correlation between x and y. Therefore, low degree negative correlation between x and y. Now, you solve following questions. Problem number 7 and problem number 8. Problem number 7. The following data gives the price of an article in different shops and distances of these shops from main city bus stand. Calculate rank correlation coefficient and comment on what happens to the price when you away from main city bus stand. So there are 10 shops, they are away from main city bus stand, so distance is given, the price of an article is given. So now you have to assign ranks to distance, and now let distance be x and price of an article be y. Then you assign ranks to distance and price of an article. Then you solve the problem. Next problem, problem number 8. Calculate Spearman's and correlation from the following. Price and demand is given. So now you have to let price be x and demand be y. Then you highlight the value which is repeated. Then you assign the ranks. Then you solve the problems. So with this, the first unit of your syllabus is over. So note down all the elements or contents of these slides in your notebook and solve the questions which is given. If there is any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Thank you very much.